Alright, we're back. So, Robert didn't win any cards that round.
I'd like a bar of chocolate.
No, I didn't, but I'm at my...
But we're thinking we're gonna get this big payout right here.
I'd like a bar of
And we
chocolate.
still have $20 to spend, so why not?
Back to the slow turtle.
Back to the...
Taurus.
This better be a good payout. Because I don't think we've ever went 10 minutes without winning a card.
No, I don't think
And
so.
we just went 10 minutes without winning a
Oh
card.
yeah, it's happening, my friend. It's happening. Think positively. Just wish it to be true.
Oh, I'm so not. That's mindset.
If you wish hard enough.
That's a bunch of
Close your eyes
It's called
and
working
tap your
hard and
shoes
spending
together
too
3
much
times and
money.
say, "There's no place like home."
This is not Wizard of Oz.
Wrong
Wrong movie. Wrong movie.
Alright, that's fine. They're coming. Just watch. Coming around the mountain. Is that kid cursing?
Oh, here we
Telling
go.
you.
I'm going to invade your personal.
Whoa.
Oh, that was it. Okay, just stop. Don't do anything until we see this. I know we're going to get the gold. No. I was wrong. We're not going to get the gold.
Man, you're...
I was like, it's usually right when we run out of money.
Here we go.
Oh, finally.
And she said it couldn't happen.
Stop.
She's so wrong.
And I'm your wife. I'm always wrong. Mama's wrong again. Come on, you can at least get
Bucket?
Bucket. Charlie Bucket.
Very sorry for Wonka. It's gonna cost him a fortune in fudge.
A fortune
in fudge. I don't really like fudge that much. I just prefer
You like
plain
chocolate.
old milk chocolate. Or milk chocolate with caramel. Or milk chocolate with nougats.
I swear every time we go to Epcot, even if you don't buy anything, you always end up in that German pavilion
Oh yeah.
watching those caramel girls.
The caramel shop.
I don't know.
I do love caramel.
The caramel
Watching
girls.
people make caramel. Watching people dip caramel apples. I could get a job just dipping caramel apples all day long. That's my dream job. Dipping caramel apples. That's all I want to do.
Why don't you have a caramel apple stand?
I don't actually, someone else needs to make the caramel. I just want to pick up the apple, dip it in the caramel.
Oh my god, that would
And
get
put
old
it on
after
the
about
tray.
3 minutes of it.
I could do that at Six Flags. I'm going to say that's the only job I want at Six Flags. Is making the caramel apples.
Well, good luck getting that job.
But don't ask me to make the actual caramel, because I feel like I would burn it. Isn't it easy to burn caramel?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Because it's just sugar and milk. And butter.
Oh, man. There we go again. Not getting the golden ticket.
Come on, bucket. Jeez Louise.
You're not even going to win that final?
No, I'm not. It's gonna...
How much money we got left? $10?
Bucket ain't worth that.
No,
I hope you
you're
enjoyed
not doing any
yourself.
more.
Excuse me for not showing you out. Straight up the stairs. You'll find the way.
All right.
There you go.
Augusta. Oompa Loompa.
If you want to view paradise,
All right.
simply look around and you
What are you doing, Robert?
No, there's a card under it.
Anything you want to
Is it a golden ticket?
do,
No.
want to change the
There's no...
I would like a chocolate river in our backyard. That would be cool.
Get a chocolate.
We are cashing in the extra cards. I have enough for a complete set except for the golden ticket. So we're just going to cash in our extra cards. And then now I have to decide if I want to cash in my DC cards or keep them. I don't know. 5,384 tickets. Alright. Let's see what new plush they have over there. It's the Scooby-Doo game.
I see. I don't need more.
Where they don't have the Willy Wonka plush. That's funny. I don't know that I need any more plush. I think I'm just gonna get a Squishmallow cups. Axe throwing, since that's the new thing. We got that snake. Our cat loves it. That's a good toy. They got some Pokemon pillows. That's new. I think that's a Ditto pillow. I wonder if is that pillow open? those bag of tater. See, that's like the new thing. Okay, Abby has one of those. It's like, do I want one of those or do I want a squishy? That's the question. So like that pillow opens and then there's like toys inside. And that looks like a generic version, but still cute. It's very, very cute. I don't know what I want. Because they have new squishies, I was thinking. But now, I like that plush pillow. I do not know. Darn it.
Chris, can you go run the bunker cars? Or I'll go do it and you help these people. Bunker cars.
We got t-shirts. Lights. Should I shoot for the Pac-Man game for 90,000? Should I hoard my tickets for the 90,000 next to impossible to win?
If you want to. It's all up to you.
I don't know. I'm kind of thinking. I kind of was gonna get a squishy, but that Pac-Man game kind of looks pretty darn cool. I think I'm gonna wait. I think originally I was gonna be like, oh, I must have a squishy, but honestly, I like that Pac-Man game. Oh, tough. So many good choices. I do have tons of squishies already. I have that cake one. Oh my god. You know what? I think you can't see it, but those pillows are 4,000. Or are they 4,500? It's kind of blocked. They are cute. But I can tell they're satin in my cat's closet and I roll them in 2 minutes. Oh, they got a Pac-Man pillow. That's cool. Okay, since I'm undecided, I'm gonna wait. I'm undecided. Win this TV for 100,000 tickets. Don't need a TV. All right, Robert, I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
I can't decide. And now they have the new Pearl Fishery game. I think I'm gonna hold off. I really do. I think I'm gonna go hold off. I'm gonna get too addicted to it. Alright, and that's Kokomo Joes. So that's laser tag. They have a bounce house back there. That's where all those party people came from. They have trampolines back there.
Oh, I didn't see that. The
So
trampoline.
they have a lot. They have a lot. And they also have escape rooms. And they have a tiki bar. You want to get a drink or you want to head out? Alright, I think we're going to go to St. Charles and walk around St. Charles because it turned out to be a beautiful day. So I'm going to use the restroom. But yeah, they have this whole tiki theme over here. I really like it. And then if you also have I think they have an adult section too. They did. Now it turned into a bounce house. Okay. But yeah, I like the tiki thing. Alright, we are leaving Kokomo Joes. It had been a couple months. A month. It had been a month since we had been here. Remember I had bought a bunch of gift cards in December and they got lost in the mail and they replaced them. No problem. They're super nice. I mean, I can't say we've been to a lot of arcades. I can't say enough. I've never had a bad employee experience here. All the employees are super nice. They had a new machine today called the Pearl Fishery. Took a little bit to how to understand it, and one of the employees, I think it's the manager, saw us playing and asked our opinion and helped us explain the game better, helped us understand it. And when he realized we weren't getting our bonus, he took our card and put the bonus on our card. Super nice. I wasn't expecting that, so that was really super nice.
And he fixed the issue.
Because it's all computers.
Yep.
All way above my pay grade. So he went in somewhere. I didn't watch him. I don't know how he did it. But he reprogrammed that machine to give the bonuses. And we went back later and played it again. And we definitely noticed we were getting more tickets. The bonuses was working. So it's just nice when you have employees that actually listen and are willing to help. Because we've been to numerous arcades. And we've been to several where the employees don't care. And they just, when you ask for a question, they just look at you like they're not going to help, or they'll be like, well, we don't have anyone can fix that machine. So it's frustrating when arcades don't have employees that will help with your issues. But anyway, never had a problem at Kokomo Joes. They have some more squishies that I wanted, and we won like 4,000 tickets today, and so I could totally have got the squishies that I wanted. They had a dog squishy and a well squishy, but then they also had that new plush pillows that are full of little plush, and then they had a Pac-Man machine. So I wanted it all, and I just couldn't decide. So my number one rule is that if I'm not 100% sure, then I'm not getting anything. We come to Kokomo Joes at least once a month, so I will come back. The only bad thing about Kokomo Joes is how do you say it? Like that pillow that they had today, there's a very good chance they're not going to have it next month. I'm taking that chance that they won't have it next month, because I know the squishies they had today were not the ones they had last month. So they just have like a high I don't want to say turnover. Yeah, they have a high.
I like it though.
They have a high price
You're
turnover.
going to see different stuff. You're not going to go in each time and see the exact same thing over and over and over again. That drives me insane.
So I usually say, if you want it, get it.
Yep.
But
I like it.
I think at this point I have enough squishies. Do I really need another squishy? What I really need is that huge Pac-Man game. That's what I really need. So yeah, I'm gonna hold out. And they no longer have the DC Coin Pusher game, which I don't care. I hated that game. I had a love-hate relationship with it. The only thing I'm thinking is I still have a whole bunch of cards. Obviously, I'm now not going to be able to complete a set. I wasn't really trying that hard to complete a set, so I have to decide, do I want to keep the cards to collect them? Do I want to see if anyone wants to buy them on eBay, or do I just want to cash them in next time? I don't know. Kokomo Joes is not a chain, right?
I don't think so.
I don't think it's a chain, so it's not like anyone else could take my cards and cash them in for tickets. So really the only people who would buy it is if it was a collector. So yeah, most likely I'm just going to cash them in next time, because I don't need to collect them personal, because I'm not really a DC comic girl, so I don't care about those. And yeah, that's about it. That new Pearl game, oh my god, I can see myself getting addicted. That's the other thing we love about Kokomo Joes. They get new games like every other month. Like this trip, they had 3 new games. Last trip, they had like 2 new games. They're constantly changing out their machines, which is great. Dave & Buster's doesn't do that. It takes like 6 months for Dave & Buster's to get a new game. So, actually, Kokomo Joes is the only arcade I've noticed that does that. So, I love that. And we're sitting in this parking lot. It's a pretty busy place. But if you ever go to Kokomo Joes, don't be scared if the parking lot is full, because the building is huge and they have 20 billion different things going on, because this parking lot is full, but no one was playing Willy Wonka. So there's just so much to do that it doesn't matter if the parking lot is full. Does that make sense? I'm just rambling now. I think I'm hungry. I think I need a snack.
A snack?
Ice cream.
You gotta be kidding me.
Can we go now? We're going. No ice cream for me?
No, we need to shape up and ship out.
All right. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.